What's up, friends? I wanted to bring you along for today's workout. What I did today was 1 mile warm up, then I hit the heavy bag, 3 rounds, 3-minute rounds each. You caught a little bit of the warm up on the tape, but I wanted to go through some basic martial arts moves so you can do this workout. So it's easy. You do a 1 mile warm up, walking or running, then we're gonna do some basic martial arts hand techniques. So the first thing let's start with is just a fighting stance. You can already throw it down. It's a stance that you're fighting out of. So you're here, one leg in the back, hands are up. This front hand goes out in front a little more. This back hand is here by your chin. Let's start with movement. So when you move back, you're gonna push off of your front leg. That's your back movement. Forward, you push off of your back leg. Hands stay high the whole time. If we move to our left, we move our left foot first, it opens. We move to the right, right foot goes. Then you got sweep turns where you can just turn, pivoting off of the back foot, pivoting off of the front foot. Your basic strikes are a jab, straight out, and back. You got jab cross, boom, boom. This is your cross. Basic strikes would be straight line back, straight out, straight back. And you can have fun, so you just move around. You're moving, you're moving. Move forward, move back, jab, move forward, move back, jab, cross. Move to the right, cross, move to the left, jab. That's all it is. It's called shadow movement, shadow boxing. You're mixing it up. You're living it in your head. You do whatever you want. It's your chance to use your imagination so you can move around, jab, jab. Move, 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 have fun. You don't have to have a heavy bag. Some things to think about. When you throw your jab, front hand, or your cross, your back hand, don't hyperextend the arms. You don't want to lock out your arms. You want to keep a soft bend at the end, and you pull back. Higher level would be to pivot. So when you throw your back leg, you turn your body, front leg, turn your body. Chin stays down, around your shoulders, and you're just moving. Mix it up, have fun. Let's do a round together. 1 round. Here we go. Jab. Jab cross. Jab cross. Jab cross. Jab jab. Jab jab. Scoot back. Sprawl. Jab cross. Up. Up. Jab cross. Jab. Cross. Jab jab. Jab high. Jab low. Jab cross. Jab. Jump jabs. Hands up, hands up. Cross, cross, crossing forward. Mountain climbers. Hands up, hands up. Jab, 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 jab. Jab cross, jab cross. Guys, I love it. I'm enjoying online coaching. I thought I was gonna hate it, but it's actually really cool. I can see everybody going through their routines and I'm able to communicate and watch what we're doing. Fantastic, keep it up, you guys are rocking it. If you're interested in online coaching, send me a message. I've been getting a lot of messages. Give me a second to get caught up on everything. I wanna make sure that, as always with everything we do, quality is first, so I wanna make sure that we get caught up and then we're gonna bring on some new people. Also, we have trainers, a powerful team of trainers here available. We have Terry, she's doing coaching and training, she's available. We have Stephanie, she's there for run coaching. We have Brandy, who is rocking it in the yoga realm. She can get you squared away with that. We have Kate, who's available for nutrition. We have Lindsay on our team, who's available for pretty much anything fitness. Like, I'm just super excited. I really thought this would be a downtime, but we're having a ball. This is a chance to grow, guys. Remember to always stay positive. I wanted to give you the quote for today from our board. This quote is brought to you from Miss Rita. Her family owns the Colonial Pancake House, so make sure you check that place out if you have not had a chance. That's one of the beautiful things about this place. A lot of the members are local business owners. Please support them during this time. It is a scary time for local business, so once all of this is over, make sure you go out and show them your love, show them positive energy, because when you meet these people, the people that are in this building, everybody's 100% real. I love it. This is what we got a pack of wolves in here. Anyway, today's quote, never compare your fitness journey to someone else's. You are unique, let your light shine. That is Rita P. Never compare your fitness journey to someone else's. You are unique, let your light shine. God, I love that. Hey guys, keep doing what you're doing. Like I said, we're available for comments, messages, reach out, let us know if you have any questions. If not, guys, keep crushing it. Let us know if you need anything. I love you guys. From Maggie and Dave, I'll see you guys later.